Hi, I'm Angela Clark and I'm an APQS educator, and today we're going to talk about meandering. When you are meandering, you want to think about soft curves, and I think of dog bones when I'm doing it. Some people think about things like lasagna, things that are curvy or curly on the side. So you're going to start out by just doing soft curves and move the long arm with you. The long arm is going to keep your stitches regulated so that you don't even have to think about how fast you're moving it or what you're doing. The whole idea is to keep your curves soft and then nest your little repeats into each other. So if I have a space, I need to be able to go back down and fill it up and then come back out. You can do meander in a lot of different ways. This is kind of just your traditional meander, but you can stretch your meander out and make it more linear, and then it would look more like water when you're doing it. It's the same basic idea, that you're just keeping soft curves as you're working across your quilt and then nesting into what you've already done.